Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, please consider subscribing. As I said at the end of the previous video, I'm now gonna make a tarp to put over some of the crates. I'm using epoxy putty. This is done by mixing 2 equal parts of both. After mixing, I use talcum powder on the surface and on the ends to be able to spread the epoxy putty as thin as possible. The putty was too stuck to the tail, it needs more talcum powder, I will have to redo it. Right now I'm using a silicone brush. If you don't have a silicone brush, you can use a normal brush. It will also work. And I'm trying to make it look like a real tarp and make the folds and make it drop realistically. The putty is then left to dry overnight, and then I start the painting process. Apparently I didn't film the start, but it's painted with a light brown color. Using something a bit darker, I darken the brown color that I use to paint the waistcoat, and I paint the darker sides, the darker areas where there would be a bit more shadow. Now, using a bit of white and the base color, I create a slightly lighter version of the same shade, and I use it to highlight the edges, the areas that would be catching a bit more light. bottom to make it dark, as if it's dirty, the areas of the tarp that are closer to the floor. Adding a bit of paint, and using a wet pencil I will blend this brown bit to not be very visible. Now, using some medium grey, I'm gonna do the same all over the tarp, here on the bottom, but all over the rest. I add a bit of paint, then I quickly wet the brush and I blend the grey together with the brown and all over the tarp. And this is it for today's video. The tarp is done. I leave you with a few pictures and you can see how it looks at this moment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, please consider subscribing. I hope to see you all in the next one.